A company called NVentric. We have two offices, one in the US in California, one in South Korea. We're doing the manufacturing in South Korea. We're making series of product, minimally invasive vascular product, go inside in the vascular vessel, neurovascular, coronary, and peripheral. So the company was founded in 2019. Most of our products been developed and get to the point where we're ready to get the local registrations in different countries and ready to commercialize. So India is my first time in here. Medica India is one of the biggest trade shows and for a product like us, and we're here to look for the partners, the distributors, and who are interested in our product and locally distribute.
So guys, the company is NVentric. This is basically into neurovascular, coronary, electrophysiology and accessories related to this field only, and they're first time into India, and they're looking for distributors and channel partners to cover the hospital industry, specifically the medical industry in the India. So this is really interesting with talking with Min, and we can contact Min on.
Yeah.
How we can reach out to you, your website.
Yeah, you can. We have a website. You can go take a look on the NVentric Inc.
Okay.
And then there's inquiry, sending emails and contact, and we're interested in reach out to us through our website.
Sure. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Vin. Thanks a lot.
All right.